Welcome back mga kabarangay. Dito pa rin po sa PSTV Plus, sa ating YouTube channel. At ako po ang inyong kaibigan sa Papoy ng inyong Direk Rene. Recently po ay nakita ko po, very interesting kasi yung title niya sa Netflix eh. Tapos inaanak ko pa yung yung kasama dun sa production na yon. Tapos si paring Joseph nakita ko yung yung picture, yung launching yata yun. So naintriga ako sa title, no? At sabi ko, sana ma-interview ko yung aking inaanak na si Benjamin, si Benji. Maswerte naman at nagkaroon ng magandang schedule. So, eto, pasok na natin sa ating stream si Benjamin Magiting Olfindo. Hello, Benj. Kumusta?
Hello po, Ninong. Okay naman. Salamat sa time and salamat sa pag-imbita ulit dito sa Pinoy Talk. Yan.
Yes, oo. Kasi, kaya Benj, ito nakita ko pakita ko sa iyo yung yan yung title, 1 in 7641. Ano ba yan? Ano yan? Nasa Netflix daw yan eh.
Yes, nasa Netflix na po yan, August 27. Yung 1 in 7,641 is actually about the Philippines. It's a docu-series about the Philippines. Kaya siya 1 in 7,641 because we're going one island at a time.
Wow.
1 in the 7,641 islands. And ang reasoning then I think is because before when I was still a student, ang islands natin 7,107. 'Di ba?
Oo.
So I think kaya nila rin to ginawa, ginawa rin ganito yung title to para sa new generation or para sa kaalaman din ng mga natin ngayon, mga kapwa Pilipino natin ngayon na 7,641 na yung islands natin ngayon.
Dumadami na isla.
Oo, dumami pa.
Dahil kaya sa climate change yan.
Posible po posible. Or baka sa mga nire-reclaim na areas. Pwede rin ganun eh.
Oo. So, your involvement dito is a couple of the episodes. Ikaw ang nag-edit. You became the editor.
Yes po.
Hindi mo alam kung anong episode.
Alam ko, episodes 1, 3, and 5 actually. If you look at it on Netflix, meron po siyang 6 episodes total. And yon yung first episode, third episode, and fifth episode, yun yung na-edit ko personally. Yeah.
Meron ka dun sa tatlong episode na na-edit mo. Meron bang Zamboanga doon? Meron na bang Zamboanga? Wala pa.
Meron po. Meron. Actually, sa first episode, may Zamboanga na. Yes, kasi yung first episode, the story is about the Spanish influence here sa Philippines. And we talked about, sa Cebu, we talked about, diba, syempre si Magellan and all. And then we went to Zamboanga. Kasi nga sa Zamboanga, they have this Chabacano, diba? They have this Spanish language that is actually kind of parang broken Spanish. Pero with our host, yung host nung episode na yon, he's a real Spaniard. He's really a Spanish citizen that is currently living here in the Philippines. And sabi niya, when he was talking to the locals, it's just like he can understand everything talaga. Yun, parang lang, may konting grammar lang, pero alam mo yun, parang medyo broken English. Pero nagigets niya. Sobrang naintindihan niya.
Dapat pala, Benji, kakausapin ko siya. Kaya sabi mo yung conversa Chabacano kayo, de Zamboanga yo. So sabi katyo, cosa de tabla, entendi katyo si cosa de tabla todo kayo. Kay Chabacano man yung ta-conversa.
Yo, ganoon. Tapos habang sinushooting na, kasi I was, may time na nakasama ako sa shooting.
Kasi so pumunta ka sa Zamboanga. Okay.
Yes, nakapunta akong Zamboanga because of this project. Ang tawag dito, kasi I also worked as a DIT for some of the shooting days, no?
So ano yung DIT for those of us who are not ano yung DIT?
Yung DIT, that's the digital imaging technician. Usually they are in charge of pagkuha ng files from the camera, you know, and backing it up to multiple hard drives, you know, for the project. And also they are in charge of making dailies or yung do a little edit of what was shot in the day para medyo nakikita na ng director where he would go and, you know, bring the story to. So
Okay.
yon, dailies at saka minsan ang DIT rin yung nag-set up nung camera settings, like kung anong frame rate tayo, anong color profile tayo, ganyan. Parang gano'n.
Nice. Oo. So involved ka talaga sa sa yun sa Zamboanga episode plus the other 2 other episodes. Pero as editor ka na dun sa dalawa pa or sa shoot
as
kasama
editor
ka
na lang. I was only part of the shoot sa episode 1 na Cebu, sa Cebu shoot and sa Zamboanga yung first day lang kasi 2 days sila dun eh. I was there nung first day.
So may eksena siguro dun yung sa Fort Pilar kasi that's one of the iconic yung sa Zamboanga.
Fort Pilar, and then we have the what do you call this? Yung seaside, yung maganda yung sunset.
Yes, sa Kawa-Kawa Boulevard.
I forgot the name eh. Parang gano'n. Basta yung somewhere there, something there. Tapos yun, doon siya nakipag-usap sa mga locals, yung host namin. So he was talking to the locals.
Kasi yung boulevard na yun, pag gabi yung boulevard na yun, ang alam ko ngayon na yung parang may mga nagba-barbecue, may mga parang ganun eh.
Yes, na-try ko yung Knickerbocker. Knickerbocker. So yun, nakakausap niya yung mga doon, yung mga locals doon. Tapos the whole time na we were shooting, parang kami, so wala kaming magets. So wala kaming maintindihan.
Kasi sila nagkukwentuhan. Okay, So ito 1 in 7,641 islands actually ito is a production of the Department of Tourism.
Yes.
Diba? And it's
their
being
initiative.
Initiative nila at napapanood na ngayon sa Netflix. It's worldwide na launch na. So I'm going to look at Netflix after this. Hanapin ko yung pangalan. Yung inaanak ko yan.
Picture nyo. Actually, dahil syempre, hindi naman sa medyo inside na lang. Pero kasi dito sa dahil ako yung editor, there were times kasi na nakikita ko sa camera eh. So ang ginawa ko, in-insert ko yung sarili ko doon. Medyo short cameo lang, di ba? Short cameo. Lagay ko lang yung sarili ko doon. Alam ko naman nag-edit eh.
Oo nga. Tsaka naman, di mo naman talaga kasi di ba, pag nag-shoot ka, kasi DIT ka nga, nandun. So, and everything. Oo. So, Benj, that's only one of the many things that you're doing, no? So, I'm so glad na ikaw ay matagal na tayo gustong makipag-usap, and then this is the perfect opportunity. Siyempre, after nito i-interviewin ko pa si Benji dahil meron pa kami yung kanyang banda, yung Lost Not Found. Yan. Papanoorin nyo in a short, siguro ilang araw from now, mapapanood nyo yan. Uunahin ko muna to si Netflix kasi ako proud na ninong eh. Parang
thank you Ninong. Thank you Ninong.
But not only that, mga kabarangay, now that Benji and I were talking offline, yung involvement ng aking inaanak, no? Actually na siya, nagpapadala siya sa akin yung yung card ba yun, yung OB card ba yun or something na parang ninong ganito yung ginagawa niya, parang kasi he is really technically very very good sa technology to si Benji at magaling sumayaw. Magaling sumayaw niya, mga hip hop na
back in the day.
Back in the day. So Benj, thank you so much para dito sa 1 in 7641 series na nasa Netflix, anong mensahe mo sa mga mga kabataan na kasi involved ka diyan about our history, about our yung kasi di ba yung mga nandito na o nasa ibang bansa minsan nakakalimutan o di kaya pati magulang. So what would be your based on sa nakita mong sa production, what could be
Ako, ang masasabi ko lang, sobrang dami nating pwedeng puntahan dito sa Pilipinas. Alam ko, right now, maraming gusto mag-travel abroad, maraming gustong ganyan. Sasabihin nila kasi sometimes mas mura yung ticket papunta doon eh versus local flights. Minsan nangyayari talaga and I understand. Pero ang dami pa nating hindi alam is lalo na if you're born in one area and doon ka lang nagsistay. Ang dami pa nating hindi alam na culture or what do you call this? Certain types of food, certain types of na hindi mo pa na-explore. Kasi nga, ang dami nun, 7,641. Pagka ba naman naubos mo yan eh, ewan ko na lang. Pero yun, yeah, so let's explore the Philippines. Again, ang tagline ng Love Philippines, 'di ba? Kailangan natin mahalin ang sariling atin and yun, let's check out 1 in 7,641 on Netflix. It's out worldwide. Share it to your friends and hopefully you like it and hopefully you plan to visit some of them because of the show. You get inspired, you want to visit them. Lalo na may mga episode kami doon na about surfing here in the Philippines. We have episode there about the underwater, the sea life here, yung mga Tubata Reef, mga ganon. Ang ganda talaga. This project has made me appreciate the Philippines more.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much, Benji, and looking forward to panoorin natin yan. 1 in 7,641 islands. Isang produksyon na napapanood ng Department of Tourism, napapanood po sa Netflix. Dumadami na yung mga Filipino team na na tayo, na-realize na ng mundo na yung kakayahan, di ba? Nasa Disney na, nasa kung ano-ano. And it's not token eh. It's talagang hindi tokenism, kundi talagang integral part. So what you're doing is something part of the books, part of history, and part of our culture. So maraming salamat, Benji.
Maraming salamat din po, Ninong, dito sa ating sa invite nyo sa interview natin na to.
Okay, sa Pinoy Talk natin.
Pinoy
We're talking to Pinoy. So, mga Pinoy. Kung may TikTok, tayo Pinoy Talk tayo.
Yan. Tama yan.
Thank you so much, Benji. At maraming salamat din
you.
sa ating mga viewers and listeners na nakikinig po sa atin, nanonood dito sa ating PSTV Plus sa YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe na po kayo. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Take care and God bless. Goodbye for now.